In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Perplexity AI with NotebookLM. By the end, you'll have a smooth workflow for gathering high-quality research in Perplexity and using it as a structured, citable source inside NotebookLM. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Perplexity website. On the home page, you'll see a prompt field. Type in the topic you want to research. Be as clear as you can so Perplexity knows exactly what to look for. You can include context like the time frame you care about, the audience, or the format you want, but a straightforward prompt works well too. Perplexity will generate an answer with citations, pulling from a range of sources so you can check the evidence behind each claim. Once you have a result that looks solid, locate the copy icon in the response area. Click it to copy the full answer. This captures the text plus references, which is ideal for bringing into a knowledge workspace. If the response is long, it's fine to copy it as is. NotebookLM can handle substantial passages and will keep the citations useful for later questions. Now, open NotebookLM in your browser and create a new notebook. A fresh notebook gives you a clean space to store and reason over your sources. Inside the notebook, look for the option to add a source and choose copied text. This tells NotebookLM you're about to paste text directly rather than uploading a file or linking a web page. Paste the content you copied from Perplexity into the text field. Take a quick moment to scan the paste, making sure the citations and section breaks look intact. Keeping the references is helpful because NotebookLM can use them to ground its responses and point you back to where information came from. When everything looks good, click Insert. NotebookLM will add the pasted content to your sources panel and index it so you can start asking questions in context. From here, you can prompt NotebookLM to summarize the material, compare points, extract key takeaways, or draft an outline, all based on the text you just imported. Because your source originated in Perplexity and includes citations, it's easy to verify claims or drill down into specifics without losing track of where the information came from. That's the entire integration. Research in Perplexity, copy the result, create a new NotebookLM notebook, add a source using copied text, paste, and insert. With this workflow, you move from discovery to organized analysis in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and try this on your next research project to speed up your process while keeping everything grounded and traceable.